Good afternoon. Ebian so Yakopon Shira obi biara na ewie so. Nshira nka obi bia Efre Jan Yakopon chen. May God bless everybody this afternoon wherever you are. Ano pen komo kakra bi le ba bedi as a GD4 o man mu. Tibi biara ohwe me biara mpa cho ya so na comment bia na se ansem bia so wo bia ka safa ansem ya mba be ka ho no so betimi aka se so you pastor we believer wherever you are no se no num nyakopo asem atie biara no ewie mi pese ye no munya adwukyere kakra bi fa asem bi ho if it is possible say etimi ko ne sa as a Christian, as a believer na to because nyoma na sense bebre akoso awo ye mpanimfo ani na we de a friend say what obi abanim no o say a counselor o say a reverend ntino nsere ye o nyakopo akwa but e behwe nsem o kan ye se nyakopo akwa na se believer na se sofo no asem o kan ye no e bia menim se wate but we dey wa fa ne trust akeke but as a concern as a believer as a nation no mpese wie ye no mu di ho abobo kakra te bi biara o hwe me biara no betumi anya break akra bi me share video no se be abetimi abo wa wankasa wate de okan ye me se wate de be mpese me se bodium no wankasa wate de okan ye one thing about me say I concern about my how do you call it, my neighbors any the nation no me dwuni me nua no mo ho any oman no more than myself because me say me nya akopon temete but nsem bi ho no mu na say as a believer I want to make one sema me nim say tweye me say penifo no bebre ate but want to we am person me can say so matter dia asem na mo fa ka ho ama oman no ana say Christians. I know they have heard it and they have seen it. So this afternoon I want to know from our Christian leaders, our leaders, pastors, what they have heard, or if they have not heard yet, I'll play the video. I want them to comment. Me person me who say answer me say anase person mu yi mu ye no anase answer bi o sa video we ho amamo fa ne tra kwa ntebu de me ba me hwe video no
I want
me share video no se na me ka no anyom bi e koso man mu a free politician so se e ba e Christians no so e Christian leaders no so e sofo ne e pastors no na ya tia na me se video me anasa sama ba be kai ne bebre na hwe video no so ma hwe mate but ma fa ne tra se e keke nti wi ni pese e bebo sa asem we mu se e no kra dia we have to stop preaching se nya no kra so dia asem na wo ka fa ho because asem am ba be kai e sofo o say reverend o say counselor ano kasa asem we be 3 days or 4 days in bet maintain say if you peace counselors and as Christian leaders about bontine abakasa fa sa asem we ho nte wie ye baba hwe so be dey obi a wo hwe me free biara no as a believer no as a Christian no make sure say asem e bebe kan no memfa ne say ayi asem trakwa. Because to be a Christian, to be a believer no is not one thing. Nyakopo se akoka sempa ne kire oman no nti wo yosofo na wababo nti na beka asem ya beka sisie ya minu se asem no wa hwe video no so wa hwe enipa mi beka no ho asem eye kwan say friend say Reverend George Lutrot was a counselor. Some we say Martin asem bebre all the time. The first I be a me share no mama memu bu e won ho na me follow no pa. But as a counselor, as a reverend, as a preacher, as a man of God, I'll be babontin. No bet me abekasa same way akire on my and I say youth no. But we no baby biara wo biara as a believer no pese. Me share video no. Se man hu kura pona. Asem okai na meka. As a baby biara wo biara no do comment about say eye say e ba ni sa and I say yes e ba ni sa. It's a judgment in the bar, and I say, I drank a cup of Atamo Bebano, and also be from Okwa. No Busawa, what men you be a catcher. I said, I buy and the bear 4 days, 5 days in the bed. I don't think so. Christian leaders, and I said, a pastor, and also be a penny or a Christian, and I said, Ujidi Ababontiaba condemns us, some will say. And yes, some my way, or Casa Semin, Mim can't come in qua. In case some my way say no ye free I can say social I can say talks. And nothing is about bonti ever cast as a counselor view. You see a trini sign. Penning for the say a trini sign say o man trini sign that means say they have concord and I said omutia say omutia asie. If they have not punished this man or say something about this what he have said there. That means that they understand or they are agreed with him. That means that the gospel or the preach that they preach or no, we should not accept it. And that they must stop preaching. Nti baby be obi ana as a believer no. Pastor asem we say no so unya odi waju nchireba. I don't want to speak about this but I can't what? I can't tolerate, I can't stop. Because I'm a believer. As some kind of no, more youth now they will take it, and it will cause conflict or it will cause problem to the nation. Because menya nse bebrafa bebre ho oh sa omayimu a sa some kind no say anhwe ye na amfa ntuye ni ama obi abe condemn sa asem na bebrebe fa ne say eye say as a Christian no as a marriage person no etumi yes ade no interview eye no share tinana twa me na hwe me hwe video no asem me mfa ne tra kwa keke si eja o man ma anifrafo a o man no ombe sei nyakopo adwuma nti ama bebre na kasampo no omunji Kristo ni endibio enam nsem a ye leaders no awa social anaso mobile TV radio so eba beka It's na wie no se wonte dia ana meka me hwe video no sa me hu so dia mabo a kire wankasa wati asem o kan ye no se ye dia ne ya fa ne sa se nya so dia watimi ahye akoma obi so no watie se as a software as a reverend as a counselor otimi kasa asem ya na because this is not the first or second time some occasions oka nsem bi say to the meba lo twa me me share video no me hu a mabo a kire mo me I say I miss me kakra. I missed the video small, but I found it and play it. But say na me can say Reverend George Lutrot was a counselor. My way for the first time I share the video and I say me share the comment or social or TV so no. Ama me who dream me as a counselor over TV so na so about social nkofo wo asem ade aba wanim say kano asem o kan ye no I don't think say he believe Christ or na say we Christian. For the first time last time o kasembi and now me fan ka program no bet obi be kaya sa gawe e kan say Saga we out like we famous Facebook like of Christ. Someone should remember me this name la. Obi come say you Saga no. I forget this lady's name, but I know some name. I forget the name. Now, Saga we say no. Me for the first time I minimum Saga we pa time I can say o change me kula minimum because all the time see a boni di our social media. Sena osibi or celebrities. Sena o tie no. But first day me who say Saga mu say wasachira no me ni je pa. Na minimum no but for the first time because after no omu ni videos in the pictures send out to social media no our far Christ apostle ja we are saying your man no manage here but yes our counselor me can say George Lutrot man we abetna TV so eno pora na kura na nkan fam bet person medical program we na medical sem na nhwe as a Christian as a believer no na yehwe ye sofofo na say omo ye yi omo say di omo di anim no na yehwe omo su yehwe omo ye pa because nyankopo asem de say timi bem because ya Canada say ewe ye ble no sanya ma we nyina be si bet wo be na mo so na be no due wo be nim asem no so na se wan ka hu no kure no a musu due musu wo hu chefa wo atagbo e wo ho na ya ma we say no Asamoka said they should leave the lady to go back to the world and do whatever he's doing. That make him, and I said that make her get money for exposing his body to the social. So you know who actually for all social media. We are celebrating to know. Sir George Lutrot said they should leave that lady to go back to that world and do such thing. He should go back and what? And expose himself. Sabia obeyi no ho. Akire amansan. Sam no be man na yes country. Yen ja no come back as a counselor. Timi pese say aye no class get some come back. And I say no class tisadia. Why are we preaching for? That we should stop preaching. Because I don't know. Say bonsam aba wura no mu anase de ewiase de fefe na eye ne do such person know herself well onim no ho se na ote owiase se na brabo te o se da bi e se odwane beto anyakopon wa wo ya reverend no ese na de do ase anyom no e de ka meba amelo no kakra. But you a believer, as some way some fan the track echo. And I mean all the times me can say me I don't concern myself because I know how I related to God. I know Jesus. Ya woman no ya mfa nyame foforo bi anka nkyere me say we na nyame Jesus Christ ya ka kyere me say onu ne me nyame. This onu na me bosom kona I have to worship him. So I have to know, I have to have a personal relationship with Jesus Christ. And so to me, your kufafu for all Yankupon Temu, and the bet me who Yankupon, and I bet me who God. Until a year, baby, be allowed me a free biarano. But what's in year pa? Ebia when you're scared, when you're Japadia, but that is not a blessing. Getting car, getting house, getting the word is not a blessing. Jesus, God has blessed us from the beginning when He made us. Genesis chapter 2. Jesus Christ blessed us before. So we don't have any special blessing. What we need in this life is peace. If you have everything, you don't have peace, you have not blessed. Until we have me person because as such man we call reverend. And some me can you in fact more than a man no. Me say and I say me say peace council and I say Christian leaders be about bontin aba condemn this man say such words should not come from his mouth no. Nobody. Me for the first time me taste that word me then me tell you no. Just say me hu sa me hu ni suban me hu I see say we antichrist. Yes, he is antichrist. But he's exposed like God. But it must should happen. It says it should happen so that the word of God shall become truth. Send Yakupa say be mu to say to me but what be na mu so na san sam ne be ba no so dudue. Enti me pese me hu say Nyakupo na ye frɛ ye kan say ye sofofo na ye reverend na say pastors na and I say Bible schools na mo kɔ no eno na frɛ wo mo. Ma hu bebre amakɔ Bible school no they have the knowledge of God. They have the wisdom of God. They have the word of God they speak all the times. So I cannot sit here and say the Bible schools are spoiling them. No. The Bible has helped many. Abwa bebre no mo. But going to the Bible school doesn't mean that you are a believer. And to mama yan share nsɛm bi a yɛn mpanyinfoɔ ɛka social media sɛ wote sɛ nsɛm bi sɛ na sɛ wontumi aka ho ankyerɛ obi a we can say youth no bebre na no they are in the word already ɔmo owiase dada nti wɔn woyɛ sɔfo na woyɛ counselor na sɛ reverend na obɛba abɔnti no abe comfort sɛ nkɔfoɔ no aka nyansasɛm aka nyankopɔ adwene akyerɛ wɔn mo no yɛne yaba abɔnti mom na yɛsɛe ɔmo nti sɛ sɛ mo catch say lady we say lady we answer come back to the word to do. That means say ya sofofo no scan no ɔmo pɛ anase nyakopo asɛm ɛna ɔmo di ɛbrɛ yɛn. We a question. Me na me bofu sama we pa asanka ensema nka me ba bɛka no because me I don't if you are say who ni nyakopo adwuna I don't respect you in seconds. But ono kwa ono ntimi embese nyakopo ma anase embese asofo a ye wo mai mu. But one thing me catch say as a asofo no as a reverend prophet no nyakopo asem ena say wo ka anya sikasem ska dia nyakopo dia wo ye dia ti no nanim a o diska be ma so wonya nyoma wiase mu japade no so anu nkire say nyakopo ehirawo as a gift he give to you to give to others. Asema me kan no sa sofo we ya last week mu he come out in radio comment say only a poor that will say that things are expensive in this nation. Me I don't blame him because he have money. I don't blame him, but one thing I concern is say I say he is a man of God. Me, I don't want to speak against a man of God such. Say, I will be brave because minimum the extra Bible. I am Moses, I am Maria, any I can say Aaron. they speak against Moses and God cursed them. Maria. So me, if I speak as if you are a man of God or a pastor, I know how to speak. If I know where you are going, it's not a path or I will not give you respect. But this man, I don't see him as a man of God. If you have the Spirit of God for the previous, now no, that Spirit of God have left me. So if you can do something, let these videos reach every platform. All the time I say it, say, I don't just come here and talk. Me, I concern with people as my neighbors of my nation. Me juni so obi siria and also obi ni jina se mani age okuna. I like it more than said. Me mani be jina obi energy me nua ni enje. Because Christ come and die on the cross because of everybody. He haven't choose not even single person say because of this person. He choose everybody. You are a sinner or you are a believer. He choose everybody to die for that person. So that's what every leader of Christ should do. You must push your life for your people, for your nation. And that literal, you know, when you say one yes can't, you know, you don't respect anybody. You don't care about the people. Me, I pity for them. I don't know if you have a church is lead, you know, and I said, on the any radio, so any TV, so on by friends, so on by casa. Na kasa na baba kasa so no. For the beginning I am starting to etie ni kasa ni program no. Me hu se wakanya asasem bi ade akire oman no ana se waka futu sem bi ade akire oman ni da. Asem okan no me dey video we so me share video kra me hu kra ya me ya no. Asem oba bonti be kai ni se me se ma share video no bebre na share because enna ba bia bebre na share. Asema okaya ni say side chase, unnecessary check. Side check is part of marriage or is a blessing to a marriage. Me as a believer, as a Christian, I don't believe in such a seconds. But so the ujidia me person me who say yesterday wa wale na wasafa uyere echi. And I say we hear so the afa wechi. And so I for oba fufuro. That is for the word. I know the way we need Christ to afano. You can believe on that. So I'm speaking as a man or you can say a Christian and I say a believer who I know Christ. Nyama bi obeya e di atete be bra unua. E di oha be bra unua no. As a child of God, as a man of God and I say as a believer no, I will not do that. If so obvious now, if I hear it, I have to condemn that person. See, I'm condemn some man way. Say, a man in social media, I'm a casa. Or best say you to know. Say some more kaya no. I know that, and I said any 3 days. I hear sister be only me drink come up after an hour. I worry no. Me say be a man now worry I don't know. Asema kai ni say man no akofa oba fufuro e na waja no ana akro mo no won fi wo mo akra no super akra no so nyina say o start school ti o asema me kai no sarte ebi no sama no akofa oba fufuro nti mi pese me hu say yes, as a believer and as a Christian, as a nation, we should tolerate that person. Our social media now, and that's some okay no yeah. But yeah, me person who comment say yeah. Say be ya nyina ye betimi atoa so because nyakopo akwa beka asem bia ese ye G2 because say yeah. But me I will not take it. If it is true crap, I will not take it, but I want to know from you as a believer, as a child of God, such words should come from a man of God. And I say, say, why over for you? I don't think it's a sin, and I say, you're born, I say, you're born. but what will cause a sin no those things sanyoma we and the body and the or how edibre or maimu say an robbers and I say akukwakunkum any enunboni ankofo no our member brebe no bebre na aye sanyoma no sa sister o kasa se mo kire me no ni kunu no on fa no bi akofa oba fufuro because I think say bia wo nwale guy no wo nwale sister no so ntino enu so kan ebi no because wo nwale sister no wa nwale sister no na wo ona wa ja wo mo ana sister no oye adwuma bed start be page adwuma no akra no se nyini e se odi akra no go school onu se de o hwe sas kan odi page adwuma bi nti of akra no be ja school no ana se obejai adwuma no a wo ye no nka ye man no anase be man no a oni ni wo ye no ene nka otena no ho ana omumienu fa adwene a nka omuntimi emboa ama akwa no koso ana omuntimi establish eye adwuma bi enti sama mi we say no am ni kunu anase man emfi no se wantimi ahwe akra no akotu pepe so aye se awofo otimi hwe akra no banyini oba akra so ye oba nyini afa na obeda ni odwamanfo ahwe na obeda ni obi kan say obeda ni win anaso obeda ni senseni owo mayimu and a man of God no those things that you have to consider, you have to think about. Say no. So there was scar. Ebe onu do was scar. Ondo. Who is that? Ondo was scar mum. So bet me ahwe ni na sakofie ni sar chick no. But one thing is say, who was scar no? Obehwe child sar chick na so ompra no. Ebe ompra no bakwakofa no. Ebe na onye oba papa. Oba so wakoye ade boni bia na se de wakoye ade bi ade tia oyere no oba ma wa okaso uri be frisa oba no kra so wawale no so wa hye ne ka wa no do no because bonsam ye adwuma the evil workers working obi man ka jere mi sa na se man ka se bonsam ye adwuma pa the devils at work omo ye adwuma enti no baby obetimi aye maame ne bibi anase papa ne bibi ni wure be fi sa maame no nti odo ne ani je na mo aware mu no ebe firi papa ne nchen ni mu enti maame na waware na wo hwe obo anu na mo hwe nkra na se mo ani je aware mu no obe hu se sa maame no so no aho kire akoka no so papa no onfi nkra ne biom onfi maame ne biom oba se mo akoka nsese mu after na nkura no omutimi bo abrabo pepe bia oti ase asema me kai mi peso be fa ni trasa akeke ana me ka se bia me je bi na me di ye dabi mi kawi a yo data mi ka se mi kawi ma kawi mi die no se mi ka tro no so wanti a anu de ma kawi nti wo tie mi na se wonum nukure no mpe kon nukure na Nyankopɔ asem wonum nukure na so anfa ma wo manfo na so mu ko se mu odeta me ka se obenya ho ka se football anasere the judgment you get the judgment that you be asked you be judge o but as for me I cannot judge you but I will have to tell you the truth say agena o ye no you who are the follower as a youth know never follow that man again as Psalm 1 verse 1 said never follow him or the ose and baba wa brabom wo do be fa ne say eye say ese wo fa oyere cha na say onya mpra bi awa oyere chi it's not good for a Christian, it's good for the word eye ma e ka say wi ase but enyema o kristoni nti say bia asori pani bi anase de a leader bi o as a Christian leader bi etiemia that man that just to confront him. Sebeya omuyini anase de omutunufo. Before Baba Bontin, I said, "Oh, Yakupa, Juni Baba, Chebeka Sachin and Kofu." I am yasami ya video no. Oh, such person as a man of God. What's me about Chebeka such word no? I did a you to know. Say, if you cry, say, it's a poor that says, and your mom I do away or Maymuha. Now that person can be called a counselor. People have respecting him. That means say, as some of our Christian leaders no omujitum. Then why are they preaching? Preaching or mu preaching or preaching or mu preaching? They should stop preaching. See, a just uncle for says your mom a year, a year 4 or more. Then why are we preaching? As a Christian, as a Christian, in some way you catch there and you are no more. Because me say no, or not me first as we say no, and to defeat me that because I know my God, I know how I related to Him. Me ya boni bi kuna po a me ni ntamasem. Nti ade me ya say ya boni no, anya say me ye ma me fefo bi de. Ade ya ni tusudua. Because me yama me ho. Nti wa me ni me nyakopo ntem. But for the truth, I have to come out and speak the truth to you. I say me Bible te be kan no kra ni kire. Position as a Christian, as a pastor, bill and no just say you are a Christian, I say you are a believer. To be a pastor, to be that doesn't mean the truth between you and God. I don't know who say we are GD no. That day na what share onyankopo our judgment day no. The way you are successful ni nyina no. It doesn't make you as a believer, no. To know yourself as a believer, no, it will be between you and God. I don't know who I share judgment day to know that don't know who say say the me ni nyina no aye no kra. But who dey say ko na ko ka sempa no kra a kire o man no. Dem penifo ni ye no say nya rebuke them to know the truth. Yakobon shira be biara o hwe me biara no. Wa unti mami we ya what can I say we semba pa no wonti mi amboa no ono kwa na ho de betimi ana nti sa akra no se na akra na bra bo betie hwe wanti mami sa kasa asem we if you are single we your onipa unwo ye uti ase you are all saying that God will go and judge you, but as soon as you give birth so nya wo say your children's sin will be judged against you, but them to judge by their sins. But omo ban en Yakobo de be bufo because I can say Samuel oka Samuel nguma na I can say what do you call it? This lady, this sad lady now, man, can say, let me remember this man in the Bible. Let me check. Oh. I have to remember this man. Let me check no Samuel. First Samuel. Eli. Yeah, thank you. Eli. Wow, Eli. No, you're Nyakopo Aqua. He's a servant of God. Bible says there's a difference between a servant and a man of God or a prophet. Moses was a servant of God. God gave him his Godship power. Such man, you cannot speak against him. Enuntina, Ayanunia Maria, any counsel, Aaron, when they speak against Moses, they were punished. God punished Miriam. Miriam was a sister of Moses. She was the first prophetess in the Bible. Miriam, she and his brother Aaron, they speak against Moses. God cursed Miriam. Obani Yare. So if you say, until now the time because I know how to talk against a man of God. Wow. And you know, such woman who said, Nyakupo amwa. No one Nyakupo akwebi. No one ka assembly eya rechichira na sede. Afu to sembi anchirena. How that woman going to be? Sa woman say no bekwa kwetena abrabo emu. The same thing, Oka said, only a poor that will say that things are expensive in this nation. On the meeting, I said, because Oweska, yes, as a man of God, Oweska, on the Yakupo and said, when Yeska. But Obi was Cataneno. You can't say, one told you as your bet me at Tuana. Say the same thing. Aya sasemo kind of aya young boy bi. Dem meet ye nim hono mo. Anase meet hono mo buy. I say no op a dia han. You want to rent. Why chini sa score why say the rent die no. Onya sa e die no. Because oniska. Asama back everybody know say that the only way that he can do is say okwakoji schedule. The only way that he can say, he go for money ritual. And this person what yes I word in every yes software and that's a revel way anu enuma. What encouragement and that's I you been obenya obetimi comfort no say ese me jai. What is that word now? It will give me more power say. And it's so called schedule. Because any person o man a rechichire o man Nyankopɔ adwene no so nipa kro no essay na adwene ewie Nyankopɔ nhira baby bere wo bia wo mumma yehwe ye hunsu ye mumma yehwe as a Christian no as a leader in the nation no mumma yehwe ya no kasa as a believer no mumma yehwe ya no kasa inka your ordinary person be no kasa same way ya. Me, I will not say anything because onim Nyakopon, onim Christ. When we be na bebre enim say Nyakopon bi wana say ye was Jesus Christ be. But me there I believe it. There's nothing that can so as bibia no ho ma ebetimi aka kire me ase ebetimi adwun say there Nyakopon be na Jesus Christ be no because me say me wo ye wo me no yanka Nyakopon be na yamfa Nyakopon be amra say Jesus Christ na edima me. Into ono na mahunu se so ye bosumo so ye hwan o ono na se misumo no nti mi say de obie no hono ma obetimi confuse me obetimi aka se bet mi nu ebi obabi oni mo no onim sa gidie no nti ye se na onya obi no ka asem bi kire nde no otimi nya be sa nipa no so na ababot no ebe ka sa evil words no say side chick is what? A blessing or is part of a marriage. In Camille, Mina, yes, and mana almost active in so because and Camille run me pants and a shoe and nim crampo. Kawoba ropa to the shoe and no about down crowd, no, who say, or you're bought down for Onumian Santina or Casa in some way. But as a reverend, a pastor, as a counselor, if you have your money to do that, it's okay. But that should not give you audacity, a power to come on social to speak like such word as a man of God. No. So what makes you a man of God? Why are you preaching? Then you have to stop preaching. Say we just preaching, no? And tell everybody to do whatever she wants or he wants. But it's not like that. Because when you cancel it, people take it. Some will be in a mabe brain, no. Obi no aja oba next one no mo. Omo na make fornication I said a drama edos or many. Enti na so ka se nke be yan ka obi amfa yere baako. Oh, say no ma wenti no. Even Jesus Christ catch you for ni say, enyo obi na say we worry. If you're a man of God, you cannot tolerate as a believer, you cannot tolerate marriage. And I say awalia, you should not marry. If you want to do the word of God, because of the kingdom of God, as Jesus Christ said, because of the kingdom of God, people choose to not marry. And some people too, they were born to not be married. And some too, they were caused by men to not marry. So marriage is not by force to marry. But if you marry, you have to know that Jesus Christ, for the beginning, he said that a woman will judge his wife, or a man will judge his wife to be in once, to become once. As soon as you marry as a woman and as a man and as a woman, your husband become once. There's nothing, everything that you do, make sure that it is not only you. Enu na bebre enim na omu wale na omu na enije ewa wale sise na eguru because omu for omu surface emema no the men attempt themselves surface say they are the men, so everything it is them, but it is not in marriage like that. Enya ware mu sa unya ware se pe mu ne oba no mabaye huna baako de upa wo yere mu bia no make sure say you provide that to the lady so that when you begin no oba fufo no boko fa ne nchen no, you know who is onum say not here say no ma wonyina na di problem eba ware mu obi wono ma obeka se ne ire ja no anase no kura ja no eye say no ma nketenkete no oba no boko fa ne nchen no onum say oba ne suba say not here, so ye bonsam, so ye yivoa, you don't know. No be say was duadwe no oba na wa ware no ajanesi wono no oni nkura ne nyina be basa eno na cause more problem our men mu. But aya e can say aya police for no and I say can say nation securities no na say o my peace councils no o my justice sanyoma we nyina hu say ye track akabag sanyoma nkitinkiti we no and cause more e can say problem e dey ba o men mu. Akronfo bebre ye chichi omotum nkura bebre chi oba no oba investigation bebre no na ye sonya man ketenkete no ba ma kofo oba fufuro so oba fufuro ko wa se na adwene won hwe nkura ne bio na mame na ba basa mame timi hwe nkura no na wadia wo mo oye oba Jesus okobo tutu bra oye ba ma Jesus okobo kro no anase osisi ne yonko eno na ma bebre na omayimu no ye penny for all men no omo eye edidu omo musa abesi ne ama corruption ados o men mu adetina say timi banisa adetina say some way timi banisa nkama obi fufuro bi ase a normal person bi ka say some way, but a reverend as a counselor you come out and speak that make us say stupid and as say kuda I did tell you to now. What do you expect from them? I don't know if you share from us somewhere. And tell you that Mrs. Suwe a young lady be. I don't know. I'm fine. Someone that was Santino. But that is good. And I might be watching. I say, me Jano, I be an adjunct, sir. Mr. Wayas also. Obawale, Obawu, Senate here. Obawale, Obawu, Senate here. Who? Such persons, no. And it's that boy now, can say. One year scam from high dino. Upper baby, a jumano. So I know before from be one now be anchor. And you such a be an answer one man advice beer. Over once I call Kumo Biba. Wakofa baby bunny. No, than Yeska. Such words should not come from a leader as a man of God. No. Muma you and look say, oh, Mayimu. Would you bet me your open because I won't know Yaku Potter as a bet. Mamma will body now if reflected to the other people. No. Mamma will body now reflected to people's. Because we want to man, the spirit in us, and the smart thing can bet me actually. Oh, me, what Adam Bakwa can say that man should not come to social media and talk again. But you bet Jan or Sababa can be. Oh, Obaba, but that's a cancer and some Bomba Jan or Christian peace cancer. Our Christian leaders will leave that person to come out again because your money cancer, credit card said debe into your sofa. That doesn't mean you are a man of God, though. To be a believer, that doesn't mean no. I know you are saying your maybe or Madame Ada Chichiri home. A man crank of a sank of a bunk of four. It doesn't mean it just give you respect. Credit card, they just give you respect, just make you a believer. It just give you respect. Moment there a fata. Bible said that is the only word in the Bible as a cancer. I hear the word of God to love your neighbor as yourself, you know. And only Yakupo asem edimu. The other ones in there, you do it to encourage yourself. Nyama bebre so who wan do yo ko a obetu antra to no so obedi no kokonsa wow obeye ni bre because obeye oni be bre no enu bi na tu Ahab a odukum o kan say nka Yakobo domine no enu na man ni kase ni yere eye Jezebel okokum obi because of any bre wo do yo nko a sanyoma we nyina nka obedwuru yo ko who did the class who you are cramping? A company you have to think say no. This fools is said a draw biso. Oh, other time Mumpai Bono, Mumamo, when you know a cousin social and I don't know. Didn't Yakobo the time cousin Yakobo said, or catching yourself for say, pray without ceasing, and I said, pray so that you not go into temptation. Must someone bomb pass every amount of social. I hear George Lutrot. I don't know him because if you are self-effect there, and I am there. Such person cannot be a man of God. Into your youth, that's how you are a follower, and that's how you are now. Make sure don't follow that man again. Bible Psalm 1 verse 1 said, "No men can do bet na afedi for tinebia, nipa boni for tinebia." Mipacho, let your relationship with God should be personal. Nanya Yakobo adwene de ese o Kristo nipa biare wo ye jununi aho I know the best word of God o jununi aho menya skaka se wo de wanya skantu ni de komode no wanya skana so ba fa wo yere chia it is wo ya o matter but men ka member bontre me ka kire o man no anase youth no say side check is a blessing or is part of marriage. What a stupid word to come from a man of God. Now we're better now. Obia wo we are say obetimi aba Kristo mu wo me na ma asofo papa for no so mo ka no kura bebrenji di bio because ni nuanu ma ase o ma dwene dada let the truth set you free mo ma nukura na di enim nukura kakra owo as a believer no share to your people, share to your neighbor. Obia no make sure say nukura be ka nukura kire no who ka nukura na so wan fa I know they know force biom because they work kire but one ka nukura no what mami ka bi kire mo. The life in the Bible, it is different from the life we are living now. The life in the Bible is different from the life you are living now. Abrabo aya esuafo na anase what Bible no ye kan no aya different from ye ni ene emre yo. Antino se we wa dwuni se oka Bible na se wan kire ase wan fa the reality in the life for the people now. You miss them. Because the life of John, the life of David, the life of Moses, the life of it is different from us now. My time no, they see God's physical, but we now we have to see him in the physical. They see the concept physical, but we have to see God concept spiritually. We talk to him spiritually. But before you know his physical, it is between you and God. The relationship between you and God is like a parent having different children, having a children. Say, I want from one kura. Say, I want for no, definitely no. Papa no, obodo bako more than the other one. That doesn't mean say, Papa no one don kura no wodo omo, but only back our personal relationship. If you could say akura ni kasa kura tia papa na onfi, and that's how often bibi kura pa onfi, they know the relationship with them, but other ones you know because they don't have that personal relationship with their father no, they will not do certain. If you could some from papa bibia, their father will what react. But the one who have the personal relationship with the father, no, the father will not say anything. That doesn't mean that he don't like, and I say one don kran or domo pastor nyakupo tie. Nyakupo do bi bia. Oh we say her. So you born here fool. So you den yo. He love everybody. But it depends on you have to have the personal relationship with God. That I know na yenim. And so you don't have the mind of God, you don't have the wisdom of God, you don't get it. Obianya otini ni wasasi so how. Boni bia wo di no. Anasa de bia wo ye no, enye tin entino Onyankopon animo, da bi. Obi betimi akoye ade bia odi nsusaso be bre no. Bet wo be kwakoye no emfa nsusaso ye bre. That doesn't mean say you are the righteous one, no, because the relationship we have with God. And now all the time come social media, Facebook, social media bebre na. If you bebre kura Bible tibeka say there's no Jesus Christ. But tell me person me busa omo say if there's no Jesus Christ now, who do they know? E dey one omo wo omo no. When they didn't much of say, why your munya coupon? When they saw Musumuno, because he and Yambeto are bosom Yambeton and Nabia Muse, where a bosom when they say Sumuno. Obiano Organa Hanu Musi ya. Obaka say, over two bosom, Nyankupon Albertono, Jesus Christ, ye wono, ye didn't children, don't know bosom. I say Sumuno, I don't know Nyakupa, say Sumuno. And the man, she and as a man in Yakupa, German Yakupo. I can say, I young kufa fufrobia. Unam social media that's what it says I am penny for yourself before we no ma. Oben Nyankopon adom no be free so. The personal relationship with God will have left you. Because that person will say, literally way no. And I make us think ordinary people be I can say politicians be me come in fa because people they are the word omunim Nyankopon. If they know God, certain will not happen in this nation. Nka ye nim Nyankopon ye dodo ye ho a. Nka sasam we ni nyina. Anya ska obenya na chese wo ho atowo. Peace that bring you. Oh, I want to this kakoro I want to munu wadam for na say we neighbor all the time mu na mu Syria. That is blessing for you. At enu na ka say blessing because Yakob bo Adam ni if no the blessing that he blessed them no it is the throne the Eden and ni je bi o de ma omo because the throne one the Eden one no eye ni je bre because say enuaba ni say nyama ni nyina ya ade a o de ma wo mo be say be they will be blessed more blessed ni say they will have peace they will be happy but sins have driven them from the peace for the blessing boni atwa mo every aya they can say blessing no inshira no ewie Nyankopon adwen na me ka kire Nyankopon asem na me ka kire se hwa na mo wutuo nsem a wutie this person so follow na you become one of them one day you will not get the truth to speak to those people because asem kind no wa jedi don't believe that word from him. It is not good for a Christian a believer to have a side check. Omu sika omu nye because you be no west car obetimi first search and also be confirm oba fufuro. We Christians we don't believe that. Say na waje Nyankopon asem na when you need to be a shirama or no, share that word to the other ones. Ah, so I can't say a chisel to mono. When they were in prison, when the God have break the prison, no, one jailer, and that's one prisoner, no, he was there. He was marvelous, and what do you know? It's Ben, Samuel. I catch and say, I better know when you're down, Quano. Some cousin say, Jesus on G assembly Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is the faith. Jesus Christ is the Enukrano. Nyankopon Enukra. Jesus Christ is the truth. Or say Jesus on G assembly, naive so G assembly there. Ni fear for ni na, they'll be blessed. Omani beje na oji tu oji asamni die na nefifo ni nyina so ji de ne omunya nhira anenye anu kire se oji asamni die ntina ni da bi o because when he so oji asamni die no when he heard the word when he believed the word he went to the family and shared the same word to them and the family to what believe it and they are what saved. When he believed Jesus Christ, he too is saved. So he shared that the word that Jesus Christ to the family, to the family to what? Hear it and they accept it and they were saved. Nka okwa na okka assembly chere wo me na o manji India. Nka fie from the bush afon ka mo nji India o. Nka onu kwa na be saved. But okwa obeji obeti asem no, okka chere wo mo no, they were also saved. And you be na Acts chapter 10 now. Aya Kairos. Nephew for no, so the same thing happened to them. It is the word of God, the truth. Only the truth. Say the Bible, everybody can read the Bible because people have been to school. They can read the Bible. The understanding of the Bible. People can read, can quote 1,000 words of the Bible, but if they are explaining it, omu chirema, nkoman ka Bible no kra nkan fa so wo so. Let the truth follow you. Manukra ne endi wechi. Ewia brei, manukra ne endi wechi. Only the truth can set you free. Scadia, it is God who gave. Jesus Christ is what money. Nyakupo yesika. But almost counsel, he expect you to give the other ones. Enti no can say, abeye di say, odifo anaso skani. Abako so na hiniemu. Dan say panie anase de ponko abewura panie to kromu. It's a big word that Jesus Christ said that. So when you the antiasia, oh God, Yakupo Shiramu. Wohu. And to asem na so ka kire wo mo. Nukre no. Because anybody here dey anya no fokura. The olden days, Peter mo, John mo, Philip mo. Do you know the reason why they were beaten? Do you know the reason why they were persecuted? Do you know the reason why they were it is not only that they for accept Jesus Christ, but they are rebuking the leaders in the nation. No, we in Penifona tell no mutiase. No ni can say atwetwe na yedi ane say akunkuna ebo na yedi si o me bet. They oman pa bra a onyankopɔ anim. Omo do maka oma fam de omo ko. Wo de wanyanfo. Wo timi gina TV so, radio so. Atimi kasama bebre ente, enite. Bet enu krap wo timi nye. Yedi yanyanfo. Because I said there, young boy and nipa say yensa so. We should create who may be as our own image. Osi abon nipa say this so anya nipa ya babo amawaka so. But yenya ade a ebetimi aboa yen. Anu Yakobo ka san wasam say yembo nipa say ne yensa so. Wohu. Muma nukra di yenim. So the devil is at work. The devil is at work. It's one kind of cry no na say one man I refuse to be at you to now. All the times you know, omudi o say na bebe o memu. O say na ba so una one man o say na ba because Nyankopon di wa to ade we si wa say there. Ye na se na na musini be his messenger to speak to his people. But you that messenger no wa we no kura for no. Womu wako dane ntro de ade kire wo mo. Ha? Womu wako dane o kan ntro na kire wo ko ka de anya na ade kire wo mo. Wo de wanya osika, it's good say wanya osika so for wanya osika. Eye sanyama amunye di ma. Sanyama amunye di kura but don't come out say so for beka say only a poor to show you that you are not a poor. May God bless you. So the unya poor. Only a poor that will say that things are expensive in this nation there. A young man will suffer no. But if you me catch Bibiara say, man kofa ukunechi, man kofa uyerechi. Say start check. Never try it. Me catch never try it. Awaria say utimi waria beat at your why you are so utimi waria so nima waria mu sam doso etina sua for no ka kire Onyankopon say senka senka enipa e ware Onyankopon ka kire mu say enya obi na se so ware if you saw ni na so so kan say nka be yen fa yere baako because aware sam doso. And so what George Lutras and say Councillor Lutras ni video and I send him some okay and say start check is what It's a blessing in a marriage. And I say, it's part of a marriage now. Never accept that word. Never accept it. Because God will judge everybody. Do bet me aye biara ye. But manukra na di wanim. Memma boni a wo ye no afeti unua. Boni a wo ye no memma unua enkonya bi. Because obiane na temu o Nyankopon anim. Mama Nyankopon babu for obia de boni a waye. Because ma obi ya boni a ye babu for wo ho. Eli because for Nima aso ade ntuno Nyankopon de adumi ni family. Eli was a powerful man of God. He was a priest of a man of God. No Nyankopon akura. Nyankopon jini because of Nima ko fo ba na sere. Nima so stop ba na sere. Boni Nima ko di ene ntuno. Nyankopon dumi ni family. Wakura uba wono na Nyankopon babu no fo ne umba no adebi omo ye biara Nyankopon babu hu fo. Yes. So uja uba no ye boni a Nyankopon babu uba no ni boni anu wo ye adufo. Obo sababu so udi hu fo. Obabu obi a wadi na kwatete mu. Kokonsa wadi etie unua. Because of dibre bia open ntino. Wo kan ho asem boni. Ebia sani pa kono kan ho asem boni Nyankopon wa hira no. Enti ebia na aba no so na wa. Wo kan ho asem boni no. Na aba so. Anase wadi obi achi ama obi aseye obi a. That's your son ebe ba so. Anti boni bia wo ye bia no mema wo unua bi enya bi. Don't Lutrot. Pepi bia wo no se ni sabeka video we ye anase npenfo na omuntu nfo se na oba boti no ebe kasa no. That is not the word of a man or a counselor should come out and say. Ma ordinary person bi be kasa nsem we na wo wa condemn no wa kire no say na say tie obi o skapa otimi wale be 1,005 obetimi wale bebre otimi hwe nkura no otimi hwe maame no bet e manu wa adwinbonu wo other ones no ho that adwinbonu is a conflict anu ne ebone no wama wo be manu wama obi adwuno obi ho adwinboni anu tempia oba no akafa wo yere no ho no o adwinboni fa no ho onya kwa bia nko bayi na afiri ho no mo onya kwa bia nko babubu na guo nka wanko wale na nka wa sansem wenyina nka oba no onya wo na wama wo be ma no wo na wama sa onsem we ni aba God will judge you with that. Nti uya yuta bipa chow men TSS West no such check is not acceptable. Uya bema na uya sadi uya de yebia abeya odana ana uya bintu uya rezu konya bi uya branch escasse do ase na wajuma be na uya wa wale osakofa oba foforo aka no ho. And what I was saying about you, the judgment day, you hear it, you judge by it. When I say obey the bet, Obana wawa no kofa obafu frona, the word jano no, ono Nyankopon betu aso wo ho. So do akofa obafu fra, wa kosa body na wo say no. When I go anim ase. Into your lady, take this thing seriously. We are Bema, we are youth now. Tie me out. For somewhere, men for start Lutrot are somewhere serious. Men for Lutrot are somewhere serious. Who are there? So was car
anu kyerɛ sɛ wuni adeɛ deɛ wonye nipa bio ana meka sɛ sansɛm wɔ kae no nka efro bi fufra no nka na yɛ normal nka obeba bo wo yɛ sɔfo no obeba bo ntene de no bɛka arachicha na sɛ aba condense as word no sɛ nyɛ sa na tie atre youth na atre ɔman no bɛ wa wo yɛ nyakopo akro wa ba bo te bɛka asɛsɛm wo ya what do you expect from the ordinary people? Then it is good because we are counselor, we are reverend, you know, and some of okay, no, it is good, sir. Obiati be here. And the Obiati be here. Preach that you're preaching for so many also. Where are we preaching to? Why are you preaching for? Then we should stop preaching. But it's not like that. There was so for Papa or at the quarter me away, no. Youth ni bebre na wo you can say social media and nothing na make us some way no youth ni bebre na wo social media on be fa some way serious say eye kan boys no and men man on be fa serious we are youth. I don't take this thing seriously. Side check is not acceptable. Some say I can say Solomon nyakopo twe na so say na wo ye no nyakopo twe na so nti so bi ka jo say Solomon kra efa mpra bebra God did accept it. He was punished. Nyakopo twe na so and to member obi koto Bible bi amfa nka jo say search anase mpra twe ye anase eye anase enye empratue no any Bible girlfriend or boyfriend no any Bible mu sa wo ye ne atu ni di sa se obi na ma o se ni boy no oni be have sex oni ni be da okay oni na da it doesn't matter but she ni say on my current here, you can say marriage before sex, no. Wouldn't be man, I don't know my baby, no more, or baby, your man, no my jaw or bano. Because on Galeno, and my baby, so no or better sepe. Obos or bano who from only young pen who from a jar or bano. After Obano said, only jet Rebiana said, only a Jumebia. After Obani, a crano moteti. Sena Mikae said, Mameno, and you Krukofa, or Bafu Jam, Mamena, or Motetino, or Yaska Crampan for Cranuco school. Send your man in trouble. Interest sex before marriage. Wouldn't me bear mano. So bad Jawesi Quemu. Because you on ma omo ngare they have omawo kama omawo kra omabeye wedding and there is normal say obeti obi wonu ma obeti mi awo kama obeti mi aye wedding omuti kama asembie no hono mo omuti omo ho ase omunye ska no makọ wale but yemfa anu ntum say sex before marriage is good. No, because say no man be break creative problem e the bad society no awo man ni mu anu man be bre na e kan say omo wa no ma ja nkura yi oba no be 2 3 1 no ma ja oba no ma kofo oba foforo na oba no ma ja no na oba ni e bre so wan konya ni pa foforo bia oti na se a omo se oba no timi hwe akura no omo se akura no be na obeye sansani anasere wabeda ne ewi na anase kromfo anase tutuni o manimu afno de num kwase e de cancer busia no da benye se banisa anu ti na yese de sex cancer marriage before sex anya bibia ntra sex before marriage is not in the Bible. And a marriage before sex is not in the Bible. If our Bible, no matter how because of your suban, because of say, as a Christian, you are fair and maybe I'm found to your wuswa. In Quebec, creating more problem. Can you first time now more problem? Quebec creating more problem. Our minimum. Wow. Until they say before, my baby until at times you know, a man, I'm more now because of a man because a man they are so selfish. Say, omu warrior, omu kwa hu na omu jene. Debe abema omu kwa hu I can't say any jebe bo mabra bo omu kwa omu pene because oba bia no hono ma na ni beji say nukru akofo oba fufro debi. I can say Muslims now you say omu mutimi wale for train no in their mind you know they are not happy but I say mra bi omu so ahihye say e mra di ma omu ntino they accept it into obi on wa adwene bone awatrim ama other women you know but unim I know they born no because sin they start from the brain or start from the heart. It's not what you did physical is a sin. It is what you take in your mind. Oh, until you Christopher you say sex before marriage. But so no obi koda order na say muti mu ho ase muti boko oni jem na say munye sika na mu ware a it's perfect. There's nothing wrong with that. But it is a law for we Christian. That law no so what ubu sa mra no so a e taboo. Ayamra ana yare man say the yendi so nti as a Christian no as a believer na say odi so say there mi ware asana no obi ada say bia me enumugwase bia nkame anase de obi embeja ma jeje mu young boys no they are like who dress fire they will come propose to you after they have seen you are nakedness you know they will leave you more men you know some boys baby no san omutie I'm telling you the truth so far one far I don't care bebre na sana ma bebre na o say oba ya odwamanfo oba ya amaye man nya dwamanfo sa o eye mema na koso o mo wow because some Lutherans can say side check is what is part of marriage you know or baby maybe anaso e can say abrante bi no baby wo fine but oboko kofa oba fufro because say it's a blessing into okwa bi na o ye blessing amano aso ano say e kawale ho into okwa bi oboko na akonye abia ba akono obo so akoja no because on this cow the be show we that's show we obo so we ja oba na esi wono mo oti ase anu na ma oba no be because oni oba no aho no we ja no wa nwale ni biem na kofa oba fufura nti se oba na wona waja no nti obetina wo sa o nwale biem ana oba wale o wale abia okofa oba bema abia bema fufura na obenya no akonya correct one no se ja no no sa kan sisemu eso wale obokofa bema fufura enu na ma muka oba no obeka so oba no ye dwamanfo bete anya oba na ye dwamanfo bema no na koso sa nyoma inka oni bema na omu wale omu they have sex first no na ka omuti na ye kama ona muti omu ase ona mu wale ya inka sa oba no nka obejina nka wo ja no ankopa oba fufura na se bema okopa bema fufura bet waja no ultimate na ho sa anu na ma no bebre echire mema so no ye mema no na ekoso sa no sa word na John Luther's kai no se boat no bebre ejituma sa nyoma we na besisi o manimu anu na ma nukre ama ye penfo na nka nukre o manimu ye de inte wie baby biara o tie mi fa no o tie mi free no don't take John Luther and I say Councillor Luther and Reverend Luther where the car say I can say side chick is what? It's part of marriage. Never. It's not truth. Who will we are saying? Don't take that word seriously. What you say? George Lutrot. I don't think so. Be there. Let me get one picture of him. Only this man, he's a reverend, he's a counselor. Wow, but asem okaye ento asumba kokura enye sema ese eye a counselor otimi kan so onu do was kana se otimi ya na se ma ne nya ho omuni asem bia ono ba so bia and asem bia no anase nya boni bet never try it ono was ka wonye eye ma onu ankasa bet mi de meka no kra chew enye edi oha be brew edi atete be brew don't do it wawalia make sure say nyakopo say obani beba makokopo ma akoye hunam baako let that one should be part of you manuka wa bra bo ho ana ma pebre na journalist no anase they can say oh ana mama ye can say politicians no omo kan kro o mani mo because who suffer wakoka asem we ama pastor bi anase Christian leaders bi an ma ba bontin abeka asem abekonde we ya politicians no say eye bibia e be no watimi aka wahum ana ma young boys bebre na essay no young girls bebre na essay no muma yenhwe ya na moto asuye ma yenhwe ekwaye de echi ma yenhwe nkofo a ye form so mo ya our spiritual father. Only Jesus Christ can be your spiritual father. Nobody in this earth, nobody, I'm saying this to you, nobody can be your spiritual father. Only Jesus Christ can be your spiritual father. He alone in the spirit. Jesus Christ alone is he alone in the spirit. Onu kwa no uhum obetme uhum nyakopon. Uhum ekas eja. Ye ka spiritual father. Obi ohum Jesus Christ is only in the spirit. He alone can be your spiritual father. Nobody in this earth can be your spiritual father. You can go to a pastor or somebody to pastor to give to consult if you are matter and also you want some kwa to name say be say obetimi aboa but only nyakopa adwini so a say pastor a fake pastor and also a fake counselor ti say George Lutrota obet say wa adwen odoba ko wiase ona wiase adwin na woni tirim ska wanya ene eye ne sa anya bibia se na adwin bi na ka no so a omufa no ko psychiatrist omufa no ko so no mutwe na adwin anya sa so omu born deliverance anya sa so a omu manage a social talks omu manage social talks because of your high breast you to na say o man no bida ma kami de awie nti mi pese mi busa asofofo no say asebo kae no eya na eye dia ana youth nyina obi anye we oba na so wale a kono kofa ba ma foforo we ba ma no wale a kofa oba foforo but enye sanso enye no kra so dia omo ba boti aba condemn some man we because oba say youth no our social media abema asofo bebre na omo ye nukrokafo no omo adwuma no ebe ye kwa Najet Nelson, thank you for watching. Comfort Brary and other ones. Nyakopo Shira mo se mu tie nukre no. Mpatu tie nukre no. And that's the reality in life. Oh. The reality in life, that's the reality in life. Obi o ska betimi aye. Bet nyakopo afam no. Aye boni bet on do afane say anu le bema nani aje because what kasa no we say bema ofa oyere e chance ofa oba foforo ka oyere ho a anu le bema nyini ache na oba no so kofa bia na anu le bema na nyini ache ana mi pesa mi busa no say oba ma na nyini ache no nto oba no so kofa bi na onu so nyini nche ana. What evil word is that? I didn't no. Huh? Sex that will make you anu na bema wa nyini ache. Anya sa continue to aso so anya ska what the credit card bo kom what about tie your for reverend your for counselor wanya ska obi ahu hia koso obekwa koto obi nim na muka chense obekwa koto ska ni de obawo adentina wo so akọ school ye ne yan ko school na ye nye ska ni ye ni bi wa ko school wa bo credit card otimi bon ko fa po otimi ye ska eye ko wale aka oyere ho why ye youth ni de omu wale nka omu ho empare nyako empare omu krampo mi bon pa ye se adwunu no e bi nto YouTube bia to e kan se adwunu mu da udo wo sika na so obefa uyere cha ko fa oba fufuro ka ho why eye ma o nkwa fa bet member bontin ambe say youth no bani tie no so I don't know nti video kan betimi a share man akọ platform bi aso a obetie anya anase Christian leaders no they will hear it me na me kan person Christian leaders no ba bontin na ba condemn because the Christian leaders na ka o ma na tum dodo. They are so quiet on the nation. Ama you to know they are nukra no omu nukra ni biom. Until the omudi o mabrabo na ye se no omu amakasa bobo mabrabo fa no. That's what they are doing. It's not good. Anye dey ye ena beba me anye e kan say aba me akọ heaven bet. Abeti me aben yakopon. So that his mercy can save us. Milibesi say, obet me follow up. Obet me from now where I can say YouTube unso. I War TV. YouTube a War TV. Me page so a Facebook page you say a War TV. More platform be so. I Instagram so say War TV. TikTok Azuma Wisdom Delali. Facebook the Facebook profile I Azuma Wisdom Delali. You can go and search and follow up. Now me present myself live video because network na here. But I make share program be for the meantime no I'll bring it. You be kind baby you be share no cre say you culture your home. The reality in life no. You catch about marriage, about divorcing, about I can say employment, about everything. We are going to speak about it. Knowledge, any knowledge, another knowledge. Me wa hono. I'll bring it. We will discuss it. Me so minyasa kakra na se numde kakra me wa fa hono because me man call Bible school. But the knowledge of God no that he give to me no of those things no which will the bedi abrabo pa bia da bra odi so a ebetimi aboa wan kasa me de me hihye me de be ba anti follow up se bia nukra no ye beka nukra no what I forget the boni ade a wuye o ade na wo ye na nkofo say bone no you before be ya ade na kasa no wo utrimo say ade na wo ye no say adwin pa if it is positive say wo ya na say nipa say ye bone kura mpona God doesn't care but so ade say no be dwin even say na tie ne say ti say atade hye say na ko be na ka say atade e say nipa ye hye say na Christian say o hye atade ni nyina awo ho me de beba Bible having specific any anasa atade say ye hye adekwantia ese o Kristo no o hye atade we anasa ni po hye atade we ni nyina de beba it's a reality in life wo this one abeboa o hye na sentime emphasis so bian so embrewa you can do it so it is a reality in life and they say all the time so you suffer for no muka e kire ye enti mi de besia mi da pepa so Yakobon shall pass wa hwe me o follow up abi next time ba life ni ato aso anase wo be follow me page na mi Facebook page me ka say e War TV o follow ho no so abi me video upload our YouTube ni sa page ni nyina nti se bia o follow all the time bia me ayi bia no obehu eye nukure ebetime ye political talk se betime ye mpenifo anase ye kanse politicians no nukure mo nkan betime ye no ebetime aye ya sofofo no all the times me kanse me program no aye about the truth obi ya de na sanya me hwe sa de kro no ebetime de onsusu aboni bia be enipa bra bom I'll come out and say it. It can't be a political talk, but it to be a truth talk. It can be, I can say Bible preaching in Ukraine na medeba. It is how to say make political work and not say political talk bia. I just tell you the truth. You must take it. Ufa bebo amfa. Say one kasa ara. But you say Ukraine and here ma oni pedas ni bia better na betimi age wo nkwa ye mpenu fo no mu nka no kura e wo man ni mu ana du yourself for no so but as a believer na ye hwe ama ni embasa mi se mi hu de ye no kura na meba aboti na beka wo ti wanti o me de ma beka mi for me de awie mi last ni adam ye video bi mi catch yourself say every churches sa se me ka o mo fa no say ye no kura mi me say every churches for the end of 2022 no every churches omu ko aye prison bebre na wa prisoner aye nsofia bi na ato aye allegation bi na ma makodu onu mo every churches should release 5 people every churches in this country release omu say omunyi anipa 5 and for the end of 2022 then me can say me sisubet me say sisubium abi obi bete oba kan say e agro na midi me de media agro ma ode but ebre no so a Yakobon and ebe hwe say agro na media every churches in this nation obi biara o holy church bia every apostolic can be church Pentecost Presbyt other churches so mu tie dia so bi betimi a share so betimi a share ma na ko do manim dia message church bia obi kan say bia media agro church bia for the end of 2022 esa omo release anipa 5 innocent people sir omo prison one mo omo ni obi obebua wo mo churches no omo come rounds for the end of 2022 no omunyi enipa 5 church bia be yi 5 obetimi ayama na brokura po na obetimi aye but at least 5 makan wie me na makan me dey wie I'm not a pastor Yakobon tumsu sumi say me a pastor and I say me a prophet me evangelist God doesn't choose me. But for the word of him that I'm telling you. Me catch you. Who do is more important than God. Muko prison one mo na muko share omo ni bia na ese nke etimi yo omo because omo ni obi obeyi omo no churches no muko na muko yo omo. It is better than say mo be see prison e dey ama wo omo. It is more better than say mo be see prison e dey ama wo omo. Omo hia moa obi onuma ay allegation ntro ana ma twatu omo so ayen sohwe bi na ato no anya onu na aye bibi but ye ntro to no so ma na koduro no mo nti ya aso I believe and nti ye hwe because anya odidess and come forward the power of God, the spirit of God na omo bomb paye ama prison bubu no ena mo nyina ntro ni corruption ti nyina mo ni bi nti dem betimi aye ni say mu fa sika munko na munko yi omo. That is the best way because munyakopo tu mi na firi muso nukra ka ni mumuti nyakopo tu mi na firi muso. There's nothing you can do say skana mu wono munko na munko yi omo firi ono mo munko yi omo hwasa mo bepe djuma ma wo mo. That is the best way you Christian can do. We Christian can do. The church you can do. Moi sisi asori dan ya sisi asori dansa mu hu de mudi ye hu de mudi asori dan eye mu nko omo ayira no mu nko na mko yi omo be fie anu nya yakopo hwehwe from ho me dem akan wie yakopo nhira mo ye fa me Azuma Wisdom the lion one me dem be kam de na makan wie o mi kanya kopa sama obi na otumifo se mi bana mi kanya kopa adwene a the truth wa ye ntumifo because mi betie wo nipa de ni tenya kopa de mi wi ameba wo so abeka de wo ya meka si yo bet you know my thing no it doesn't mean say I've stopped. Say the spirit, if the spirit have come say go, I will go. You don't know. Yankopon shira mwate. You follow up. Say maka word the people take it as a word of God. Say bia who ye George Lutrod, the follower. Make sure say assembly obeka bia no. Make sure say eye nukre obo follow. Say for the best way no. You first stop follow him. That is the best way. Because who follow na say all the times obeka foot obetwa obeyeka obetu futro egu ni kofoni abaka nsema enim na oh you were part of it. And I make say First Samuel chapter Psalm 1 verse 1. I know Psalm 1 verse 1 I cannot hold no. E sa no ma we ya. Oba sa se mo be kai wo bo follow ni bia no, you are part of it. Se no mi beba no so a e beba uso. So to say so ti ase and to don't follow this man. So follow now, you encourage him to do more. Someone just follow now, he will come to his senses. Obeba fear because ebi na adwuna yira because of support na mudi man no and na man ho so a odi kasa nsem mu just follow na adwun beba fear entino say for the best way say empenifo na antunufo say Christian leaders na antunufo na so amba botene amba condemn na so amba kasa nsem obetwi ansaya. Stop follow this man. Until me person kamuti mi share ko baby biara no bi biara ntie. I'm nobody, but I'm somebody for God. You're from Azuma Wisdom, the lion. I come once. Tell me say I'm a lion, no. A ba na ba. Follow up. Search me on Facebook, Azuma Wisdom, the Lally. follow and share it to every platform. If you can bring any comment, who will comment, who will send me out, and I say, "Someone make one say and I say, understand me, and I say, who I want you as any if you comment, you bring it, share, bring your comment. Say na uti asiefa, eye anase enye, me person me hu say ye. Asema George Luttrell kan no, eye ana, me person me hu yes or no. Eye ana, me person me hu. Eye dia, no aye. Say ye, no aye. Do kan no eye no aye. But me na make catch say enye. The person who comment. Apo we shira mo why. The person who more comment say, "Eya na say enye." Me dey adwuna me dey ba o. Me I condemn no at my side. Me condemn say asem na kan na enye. Usu adwun kire ni say as a Christian, as a believer, do kai no eya na as a man of God. Ese sanse bo kai na eya na say side check is a part of marriage. That means a blessing in marriage a year. I say yes, sir. As a pastor, no can say only a poor that will say something or things are expensive in a nation. I yes, so Christian, and I say a pastor, a counselor, or casa semana, be comedian there, and yet, so a kaye, and the pahunu be another the pafufrobia, or casa semana, in Kametias here, Amano. Because we say no, in Yakupa Aqua, or a counselor, or a count, me James Waje, a word crap order. I think so. Into me busa say a yana, and I say, Mr. De make and yet. The person who comment obetimi ahia wo de hye misanu na metimi ade ama o say manukura ndi wanim memma menko say unua ema obi memma ade bia wanya no anka asem bia ade unua abufo bebra unua wonya bibia ese o ma unua bi ena nyakopo hwe nyakopo anche wade say unkwa wo dia o wo akwanya na so wo akwanya onya bibi na se do wona betime draw bi hono ma mani bi se na ni a anu na the bless for you se na ni a wani enje obetime anya wi ase japade nyina be ni wani a it's more than curse because God has blessed everybody already. Let that bless of God shall follow you. Ma obi eni nje menko say you obi ema obi misraw enye sa no mi no beba oso ade bia ye nukura bia na se odi akire se obey ade bia like so bi ade bia obi ye wa anya ode no make sure say mema obi anya bi entia obi and I say menya bi entia obi. That is me. That's who I am. Me say meni ji kura mpona na se mi nu ani ji am pe mo mini bi anything I be on my band is a bet all the time me person me nu be any NJ than me mausu yes sir that is what to show a believer. Why? Show your characters as a believer. Nyakupo Israel onyo kese. May God bless you, protect you. Do you share be Nyakupo ma osanka. Me bon person no kro be di wanim. Wa wo hwe me bia. Obetimi a share nso. No follow me up. Janet, Nelson, I see you. Follow me up. May God bless you. Let your neighbor be your concern. Mauni ahun ehia. Men di boni echi na boni endi wechi. Ka Proverbs chapter 30 17 verse 30 no. O se wo di nukure be dane bɔne ana ɔde bɔne bɛda no nokora nnome ɛmpa wo fie na mebɔ mpaeɛ sɛ saa nnome bia ɛnto wo fie mebɔ mpaeɛ sɛ nokora no wobɛdi animu pɛ sɛ wobɛdi nokora akyi all the time sɛ bia nnome biara ɛnka wo nyankopɔn ɛnhyira wo wɔnka wo ho ɛna wie bye bye